Hey guys, this is Shami Yusof. I'm a CEO and the co-founder of Rectify Global. Today have something special to show to you guys, which is one of our systems called Make Money. What Make Money is all about is, first of all, you have to visit rectifier.com and show you the screen of my laptop. Once you reach our land page, homepage, you'll see this beautiful website. If you are logged in Facebook on your browser, you will see this chat button here. If you are logged in, it will show this messenger. If you are not logged in, it will show a small pop-up to log in to have a best experience using Rectifier Global. Straight to the point. What our Make Money system. So you will click this Make Money on top of and on the menu bar there. Okay. Now you will see a beautiful banner like this, and you see 3 promotion currently running. You can click this play button to show you 3 simple steps to generate free money. So first, you have to generate a link, which I'm going to show you in a moment. So the second step is you share. You can share to your Facebook, to your WhatsApp, to your Instagram, to your Twitter, or even YouTube if you have a YouTube channel, if you are a YouTuber, or any other platform that you can paste a link to. So user or customer, they can see your link and pick that link and see the promotion currently running. So it's so convenient. You don't have to promote, you don't have to do a copywriting, you don't have to say anything, do a public speaking or something like that. You don't need to do that. You just share the link. You serve them with the link. That's what you do. Once they click, they pay through your link, you can get money though. After you get money, our system will automatically record your who paid through your link, and you can straight away withdraw your money. We will email you to request your details on bank account, and we will transfer the money to your account. So it's important for you to give your correct email, where to put your correct email. So here you can see 3 promotion currently running on our system. So definitely we'll have more promotion after this. Stay tuned. And then you can click this generate link. Oh, before that, you can click here. You can see what is the promotion is all about. You can click this and see the details before you generate link. Or you can generate as many links as you want. You can even generate link the first one or all 3 of them, or all our promotion inside Make Money system. As you can see here, you have a title here, then you have a button here, generate link. I'm going to show you in a moment how much money you will earn if you share that link. You have a success payment through your generated link. Sound awesome, isn't it? Click the generate link and you put your name. So my name is Shami. So my email is okay, and then click OK. So you will receive a notification like this. So your URL has been copied. What happened is your generated link is automatically copied to your clipboard. What is clipboard? Okay? Clipboard is a storage that when you click copy or you click cut, it will directly to your device clipboard. It will store it, so you can paste it to that. So go to the next tab, new tab, or your phone or your WhatsApp, to your next tab, and then you paste that link. So what happened is it will directly bring you to this page. A book now page, or a different promotion will have a different page and a booking form. What they have to do, they will see is when the promo title, the description, when and how much they have to pay to book to get this discount. You will see the location here, and then how much the promo, what you will get from this offer, and then you have to fill up your form. Fill out everything. I put my name is Shami, my phone number, my email, my model, vehicle model. So different company, different promotion will have a different type of form. So this the form is quite simple, you know. So this I want to book at 5 p.m. tomorrow. I book 5 p.m. tomorrow, okay, and then click book now. So what happened is you will be redirected to a payment page. So you have to pay to get your booking done. You can pay through your online banking. We have about almost 18 payment, 18 online banking bank that we can pay to. You will see your bill code here, and then you can see all your details here, and you can see this bill name under what. So pretty easy. And you can also pay through your credit card or debit card. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to pay through payment gateway. CIMB Click will be redirect to your bank, which is what you choose. CIMB Clicks. So put your username, password. So when you see this, payment information, request TAC, put your TAC number and submit. So what happened is once you success payment, we will directly go to our payment success page. Redirect to a payment successful page. So what you have to do now is go to the shop and show this email. This email will be sent to your registered email that you put in a booking form just now. So as you can see here, you will have two things. This one will be received from pay. This one is, that means you have paid, payment received. So what you have to do is you have to go to the shop and show this email, and they will aware of it, and then they will approve your promotion. That means you have booked, and the seller also will know that you already booked through that link. Okay, all of our promotion inside Rectifier Global, and the seller already know that you are using a Rectifier system. So what you have to do is just show them this email. That's all, guys. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Check out for my next video. Share this video on Facebook, like me on Instagram, subscribe me on YouTube, retweet me on Twitter, follow me on TikTok. Rectifier Global, unlimited technology. Awesome. Bye bye.